We're back. Take a look at those shares right there. General Motors, Jimmy, I know you're watching them today.
Yeah.
Closely, up nearly 10%.
You know, normally...
Raise their guidance. Have an analyst day.
Yeah. Normally when you get this piece of good news, all right, the stock pops and then trails off during the day.
Okay.
This is the first time in years, frankly, that they've had good news like this and they've rallied through the day. Now listen, Jenny and Sarat.
It's 12:56, my man. We got some hours left here.
Listen, I'm telling you, I got
jinx us now.
Okay.
It's a rare GM win for you. Don't jinx it.
Okay, now listen, Sarat and Jenny also own it. I'll let them talk about the fundamentals here, which are pretty huge.
Please.
But I'm telling you, this price action today, and you know, Josh, you're the one who we're talking about this on a day like today, and it's trailing off. Today is different.
It's following through 12.57. Look, it's a value trap. Stock was trading at the same price 5 years ago. It's nothing to talk about.
I give you an opportunity to work with me. And what do you do? Stab me in the back.
It's not about you.
Toss to you.
It's not about you. This stock was trading at the same price 5 years ago. It never, ever breaks out of the range. When it does, I'm going to be bullish.
Okay, answer the
question.
Is this
might be it right here.
Cars? Is this about
you got
selling
a trio
of
owners here.
Is it about selling cars or closing plants?
It's a combination of that. It's a combination of managing.
It's flat sales,
but
right?
It's managing a company that what she's doing, and which has many different products. It's just not selling cars. They are in all the other.
Closing 5 plants, so that gives them what, $2.5 billion?
What are they selling?
The stock's done nothing in the 5 years that she's run the company.
It hasn't, and it's because also we've been
auto sales have been through the roof almost every year.
Well, they've been flat for the last 2 years, basically.
But I mean, you're still at like, what are you at 17?
17.3.
By the way, we're no longer talking about peak autos. Remember that from 2 or 3 years ago? That's been thrown out as it should have been. Look, she's done a very good job. You take a look at what she's done with the Cruise autonomous vehicle unit. She's gotten major investments from Honda, from SoftBank. It's valued at about $15 billion. Just that area of the company with a market cap of about $50 billion. Oh, by the way, you know, they're raising their guidance. Okay, they're less than 6 times earnings, 4.5% dividend yield, growing their earnings.
Autonomous driving takes off, they're dead.
Okay, thank you. I think this is where you're reminded that like a cash flow stream really matters, and sometimes you get paid to wait. And so you don't know when that kiss of earnings growth is coming. So I actually bought it about 2 years ago at $29 a share. So I do have some nice capital appreciation. It's not in line with the market. But then if I'm getting almost 5% yield based on when I bought it, and now I'm getting a bump to 20% earnings growth, that's ownable, right? If you actually have a long-term perspective.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Right. Minute left. Let's do final trades. Okay, Sarat, start us off.
Mine was GM, actually. I want to watch this to see where it goes to the end of the day, and I think it would be time to pick it up if you don't own it.
Only if it can hold the gains?
No, I think it's time. If you don't own this stock, it's a good time to get in. You've got a clear vision.
Buy it up 9%. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Buy high, sell higher.
If you don't
Never
own
heard that before.
It's a good book.
Amazon. The book. Joe Terranova. The book. Buy high, sell higher. Jenny.
Okay, mine's Targa Resources, TRGP. It is a major player in the natural gas liquid midstream space. 8.5% dividend yield, and it's doubling EBITDA between now and 2021.
Farmer Jim.
Airlines have been rallying on bad news from American and Delta. That's a good sign. My pick is Alaska Airlines.
Just want to reiterate on Schwab, and it is not a trade. It's a value investment, and I think it's going to work.
Right.
Wow.
Executive producers just said it's still available on Amazon. Buy high, sell higher, Joe Terranova.
Buy as many as you can. Dunkin' brands. You don't have to worry about the China concerns.
Great.